Welcome back. Let's do question 6.5. In the diagram below, the graphs of f of x and g of x are drawn for the interval x is from negative 180 degrees to 180 degrees. A and B are the 2 points of intersection of f and g. Determine the value of p for which sine x times cos x is equal to p will have exactly 2 real roots in the interval where x is from negative 180 degrees to 180 degrees. What we have here, we have sine x times cos x is equal to p. If you see this, what do you remember? Remember the double angle formula. Remember that sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x times cos x. You see that we have this sine x times cos x. And then we are given that g of x is equal to 2 times sine 2x. So we're saying that g of x is equal to 2 times sine 2x. And then we can replace where there's sine 2x. We can put 2 sine x cos x. G of x is equal to 2 times 2 sine x cos x. You see that we have replaced this sine 2x with this 2 times sine x cos x. Let's multiply these. 2 times 2 there will give us 4. So g of x is equal to 4 sine x cos x. And then we're given that sine x cos x is equal to p. So meaning that g of x is equal to 4p. And then what is g of x? G of x is 2 sine 2x. So 2 sine 2x is equal to 4p. The question says, determine the values of p for which sine x cos x is equal to p will have exactly 2 real roots in the interval where x is from negative 180 degrees to 180 degrees. If you look at this domain, from negative 180 to 180 degrees, right? Where do we have g of x having 2 real roots? Is here and there. And also in here, okay, this is where we have 2 real roots. 1, 2. And then again there, 1, 2. G of x has real roots when g of x is equal to 2. Remember the maximum value for g of x is 2. And then when g of x is negative 2, we got that from the value of a here. Okay, the value of a. The maximum value is 2 and the minimum value is negative 2. So when y is equal to 2, g of x has 2 real roots. And then when y is equal to negative 2, g of x has 2 real roots. Let me say, let's put any value here. Let's say if y is negative 1, how many roots are you going to have? You see, there'll be a lot of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. But we want where there's 2 only. So it is here and there. So meaning that g of x should be equal to negative 2 or where g of x is equal to 2. And remember we said g of x is equal to 4p. So it's saying where 4p is equal to negative 2 or where 4p is equal to 2. Then p is equal to negative 2 divided by 4, that's negative 1 over 2. Or p is equal to 2 divided by 4, that will be 1 over 2. So these are the values of p for which sine x times cos x is equal to p will have exactly 2 real roots.